In this video, I will show you how to create a simple job on your IQJET. We start on the home screen. Tap on the Editor button. Make sure that the Jobs menu is selected. Now tap on the Add button. The Editor window opens with a new empty job. Tap on the field New Job to change the name of the job. Type in the new name and confirm with the OK button. Then set the global settings for this job. In this case, I want to reduce the vertical resolution from 32 dots to 24 dots. To confirm the settings, tap on the OK button. Now, let's bring some content into the job. Tap on the ABC button to place a single line text into the job. To edit the content, tap on the field Content. Then tap on the current content and enter your new content. Confirm the settings by tapping the OK button twice. Below the print band, you can change the settings of the object. For this text, I choose the 16-dot font. I increase the inter-character gap and invert the whole object. For better readability, I increase the border width. To place a graphic into the job, just tap on the graphic button. Search the list for a suitable graphic and tap on it. The graphic appears in the print band. Now you can arrange the objects in the print band. Once you are happy with the job, tap on the Save button. Go back to the dashboard and load your new job. So here it is, your first job. That's how easy it is to create a job on the Leibinger IQJET.